If you're a beginner who's wanting to start affiliate marketing, I know how discouraging it can be to see all these fantastic results only to find out that it's actually because the affiliate already has a following. 250,000 subscribers on YouTube, 1 million subscribers on TikTok. But don't fret. Complete beginners can actually be successful in affiliate marketing too. When I first tried it out myself, I was also a clueless noob. And so in today's video, my focus is to help you start out as an affiliate despite not having your own circle of influence just yet. Without a YouTube channel or a significant following on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, I'm here to tell you that you can still be successful. If that sounds like something that you need help with, then do stick around for the entire video because I will be sharing 5 things that I've personally tried out myself. I started affiliate marketing without any experience or audience, and you can do it too, just as soon as you get your first affiliate link. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. Each video that I create and post over here is for those of you who want to achieve financial freedom, those of you who are interested in becoming more financially savvy, and if those are things that you want for yourself, then do join our community of like-minded individuals because that's exactly what we talk about day in and day out on this channel. Go ahead and hit the like, share, subscribe, and notification bells below, and let's go make some money. The very first way that you can start out as a newbie affiliate is this strategy called launch jacking. Launch jacking does not require you to have any audience or influence whatsoever. You simply need to figure out which affiliate programs are launching and when. And then you can talk about it, review it in a blog post on social media or on YouTube so that when it's launched and people are searching for it, it's easier for them to access your review. You know how when someone is launching a course, they put money into it to promote it in terms of advertising. This causes it to get a lot of attention and interest. And because it's new, you can expect that the competition can be pretty low. There won't be a lot of information or reviews about it yet, so as a launch jacker, your job is to be one of the first movers for a particular product or space so that people who are still scouring the web for reviews and content about it find you. And despite being a small player with zero audience, this method can actually allow you to divert some of the attention to your channel or blog. And it's just an overall great way to compete as a newbie affiliate despite not having your own audience yet. People create products and services every single day, and they launch them every single day as well. There are big launches and small ones, and the whole list of all of these launches you'll be able to find on this website called muncheye.com. These products that are launching will also be available on affiliate marketplaces, but if they're not there, you can also message the brand or individual directly, tell them you're an affiliate, ask for materials, and a link. If you luck out, you can sometimes even get to test products out for free, while other times you'll need to pay for them, so you can choose based on your budget and also based on which ones you think will generate the most buzz. Sometimes creators launch with special prices to create some sort of urgency. For example, they start at 50% off before it goes back to full price. This is something that launch jackers can definitely take advantage of. For number 2, we have influencer marketing, and it's a type of marketing strategy that involves recruiting key people to promote your product, your link, your brand, your service, anything like that. So the trick here is to identify what type of product or service you're promoting and then identify which influencer has a market in that particular niche. Because when it's a good fit, then these social media thought leaders do carry a significant amount of pull on their audience. Say for example, you're an affiliate for a productivity app or planner, then you can look for someone who talks productivity hacks on his or her platforms. Or maybe if you're looking to promote a vegan recipe book, then you can try a vegan influencer who cooks or shops vegan on her platform. One thing that can be confusing to some is that an influencer need not be a huge celebrity or household name to be effective. Someone with a small but engaged audience, someone who's credible and whose opinion and reputation the audience trusts works really great too. These smaller influencers won't cost you an arm and a leg. I've worked with some micro influencers who charge between 20 to 50 bucks for a story or a little more for a post. And I find that range quite reasonable. So if you pick the right ones, then engaging with them and their audience can get you a ton of clicks and sales, offering a great return on investment. If you're not sure where to start looking for these influencers, then I suggest that you try and use a tool like BuzzSumo to find influencers who are already having conversations that are relevant to your affiliate product or service. You can also go to Twitter and search for hashtags the old-fashioned way and stock posts there. Or if you want to, you can even tap influencer marketing networks to make it even easier on yourself, although you can expect to pay a bit more because these networks do need to get their cut. Number 3 is something called native ads. So native advertising is essentially paid media that's intentionally designed to match the content of a website, a YouTube channel, or whatever media source is used. And the great thing about it is that they are less intrusive, which makes the audience more receptive or more likely to click on them. Studies have shown that native ads also often outperform traditional ads. Engagement is higher, and one can only guess that this is because the content is received in a way that feels more natural to the audience. There are certain advertising laws that prevent native ads from deceiving the public, and as such, you will often see text that say paid promotion or sponsored post on top or below the material. Moving on to number 4, we have faceless YouTube channels. We already know how much YouTubers make on affiliate marketing. In fact, many of us make more selling affiliate products than we do on Google AdSense. And I know how the idea of showing your face on camera can be a little bit intimidating. So instead of starting a talking head YouTube channel, you can actually also start one without showing your face at all. There are many ways that you can do this. You can record your voice and use stock images and videos. You can do B-roll videos, or you can go for whiteboard style animation. I have several videos that explain this in further detail, so if it's something that you want to start out as an affiliate, then please do check those out after watching this video. Last but not the least, we have Google Ads. And before I tell you a little more about this, I want to point out that different affiliate programs have different sets of rules about using Google Ads to promote links. So please do make sure that you read or ask about the terms and conditions before you get started doing this. It will save you a lot of time and money in the long run. Okay, so what I love about Google Ads is that it sort of levels the playing field between new and seasoned affiliate marketers. So by figuring out which keywords and niches people are searching for but have little competition is how you can really make the big bucks. For example, if I type in the words YouTube creator course on Google, this is all the rage now. Everyone wants to start a YouTube channel because it's a great way to make money. But those keywords are really competitive, and besides competing for the attention, you'll also need to spend a pretty penny just to book those keywords or key phrases. Now, on the other hand, if you figure out a subcategory with keywords that are not half as popular, then you can rank better on Google search, get more clicks and eyeballs, and essentially just be able to sell more. As you can see from all of these strategies, you can definitely start as a newbie and still make a ton of money doing affiliate marketing. So I'm curious to know, which one do you plan to try out first? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're at it, do let me know also what kinds of other videos you'll want to see next. We have a ton of other ideas in our pipeline, and we will keep them coming, so make sure that you stay tuned. As always, if you found any value in today's content, then please let us know by liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell below. Take care, guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.